Hello, Brent here, Midlands Home Inspections, performing a home inspection out here in Omaha, day in a condo. Just want to point out some things here we found. Obviously, in the closet here, hall closet, we got some mildew, mold, most likely growing here. We did test that with the moisture meter, and it is positive for moisture, so it is an active leak. So definitely need to get that corrected. Then also, as we come through, it's kind of hard to tell. I don't know if we'll be able to see on the video. You can kind of see the elevate in the floor. You can kind of tell where there's areas of moisture damage. We tested those as well, and those areas are also positive for moisture. So we do have an active leak going on, either from an above unit or from the plumbing right here next to the bath. So we'll definitely be getting a plumber to come in or someone come in here and take a look and verify and find those leak here for this buyer. Brent Stemmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.